Okay. Darn. I thought I was videotaping this here session, and I'm like, then I looked at my camera and I didn't press the button.
Oh, you got to make sure the red light is on, right, and the timer's moving.
Well, that darn red light, that red button is red when you turn it on or off. But what what I what really tells you you're recording a video is when they see the digits up top, and the digits are, the time is moving on the display. Then you know you're going. But yeah, I had a red dot, so I thought I pressed it, and the red dot doesn't change color. It still stays red. You know, so you got to look closely. The red dot gets smaller. That's the only indication. But there's digits up top that tells you how many minutes you're going by, and that's how you know.
Yep, you got to keep an eye on that dot.
Yeah, so I drove my car a little bit today. I had the top down.
That must be nice.
Yeah, it is. So we'll see. I think I'll keep. I'm not gonna. I don't know how long I'll keep it, but I got two cars right now. I don't. I didn't replace the. I didn't replace the Malibu. I don't know how long I'll hold on to two. I don't like paying extra insurance money, but it's only $300 a year. I think I can handle that. It's not too bad extra for a second car.
That's not too bad for insurance, you know. But what color is the convertible?
White with a black top.
But it's not fast, right?
No, it's super slow. I think it does 0 to 60 in like 10 seconds.
0 to 60 in like an hour, right?
Yeah, it's only got 115 horsepower. Very slow. But I don't mind. It's not a heavy car, so I thought about if I never ever get a motor, I was thinking about getting a little, increasing the horsepower on it or whatever. But I didn't get to that point yet, so I might get a high performance head on it. It depends. They say you can add about 30 horsepower to the motor, unless you want to go with a turbo, and then you can do close to 200 horsepower. I mean, you can keep going up if you really wanted to. I don't really want to do that. I'm not in that season of life anymore, and I don't want to waste any money on it. It would be like over at least 5,000 for a turbo. You know.
What's wrong with the suspension?
It's just worn out. The kid that owned it before me, or two owners before, he had a lowering kit on it. He lowered it he cut the springs, and I'm not into that stuff. So yeah, but the suspension's worn out.
Well, that'd be nice, you know. So it doesn't bounce around when you stop at a light.
What's that? When you turn, if the bearings are bad in the struts, the strut bearings. When you you can turn the car, you can tell it's just there's a binding in the top of the strut bearing.
Well, once you get that done, then you won't have to worry about that for a long time.
Yeah, I'm putting all new bearings in it. I'm putting A-arms, control arms in it too, and bushings, and because it's it's a 2001, so I don't know if that stuff was ever changed. I want to freshen the whole bottom, or most of the actually just like 95% of the suspension. I suppose I'm leaving some bushings in the back on the back axle, and I'm not touching those, but. The first thing I think I'm going to have the mechanic do is I'm going to have him do the back struts first, and then for one day, and then I'll bring it in the next week for work up front.
Where do you park it? Do they park? You park it in the driveway?
Yeah, the landlord was gave me the okay with that. Actually, right now it's parked out on the street, but when he gets his pile of dirt and bricks out of the driveway, I'm gonna park it there. Right now, he's using half of the driveway for some construction, but I live in a long driveway, so I can fit two cars, one in front of the other. You know, no problem. Okay, I'm gonna sign you off here with the video.
Oh, okay. You got the video going?
I got 5 minutes of video here of us talking here, and I'm gonna shut it. I'm gonna stop the video.